Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Jackson Nsonga, and this is Jackson Nsonga Devlog. Today I'm going to guide you step by step into the world of programming using C++. If you've never written code before, don't worry, this video is made especially for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have C++ set up on your computer and you'll run your very first program. C++ is a powerful programming language used to build things like games, applications, and even operating systems. Programming is simply giving instructions to a computer, and C++ helps us do that efficiently. Let's start by preparing our computer. We first need a place where we can write our code. For this, we'll use Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. I'll type Visual Studio Code download. Always make sure you're downloading from the official website. I'll choose the version that matches my operating system. And download begins. Installation is simple. I accept the agreement, click Next, and install. And just like that, VS Code is installed. To run C++ programs, we also need something called a compiler. A compiler translates our C++ code into a language the computer understands. Now, inside VS Code, I'll install the C++ extension. This extension helps us write and understand C++ code more easily. I'll create a new folder and name it C++_beginners. This is where all our C++ files will live. I'll name this file main.cpp. The .cpp extension tells the computer this is a C++ file. Our first program will simply print a message to the screen. This program is traditionally called Hello World. Include IOStream, using namespace std, int main, quote, hello world, return 0. This code tells the computer to display the words hello world. Now let's run the program. And there it is, our first C++ program is working. If you're seeing Hello World on your screen, congratulations, you've officially written your first C++ program. In the next lessons, we'll learn how this code works, how to use variables, and how to build real programs. Thank you for learning with Jackson Nsonga Devlog. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.